This week in Jordan Jaunts, we get a taste of the millionaire lifestyle without the price tag.
We visit the hidden gems on the Turquoise coast, and we share the news that we're not coming home.
Wow, look at the colour of this water. Can't wait to get on. Although we watched some people getting on before and it was very difficult, so maybe watch this space.
You've seen it on Jordan Jaunts.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
Whoa, what a boat! Oh, living the dream.
Absolutely living the dream. Millionaire lifestyle without the millionaire price tag. It's fantastic.
Hello guys, you alright?
Hello.
Yeah, good.
This is Captain Saban.
Shaban.
Saban,
Nice to meet you.
pleased to meet you.
Scott.
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 Mo.
Mo. Nice to meet you.
Lola.
Laura.
James.
James. Shaban.
Shaban.
Is it your first time here?
Yes,
Yes.
it's our first time.
This is Oludeniz beach. We
Yeah.
call here it's Belgica's beach. There is Blue Lagoon, but it is not allowed to go by boat.
Okay.
What we're gonna do, there is a secret beach, Blue Cave and Butterfly Valley. Also, I'm gonna show you waterfall as well.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, the springs, the hot and cold springs.
Wow.
Yes.
Fabulous, thank you.
I'm feeling privileged today, Nicola. That's usually the boat we go on. Look at the colour of this water. I don't think I've ever seen such clear water ever. Beautiful.
Stunning, I love it. We are so lucky to be here. So grateful to be here.
So on Captain Saban's boat here in Oludeniz. This is the best boat you can hire in Oludeniz. So how lucky are we? Absolutely fantastic. The hospitality is absolutely immense.
Thank you so much. Anytime you're welcome.
Cheers!
Cheers!
In front of you there is Secret Beach. Much easier to get to by boat. You can walk across the mountain.
If you were to imagine clear turquoise water, this is a dream. I don't think I've ever seen this colour water anywhere in the world. It is amazing.
This is amazing. We only paid £120 for this for 3 hours.
Probably the best £120 I've ever spent for 4 people.
Cafeteria, nice sandy beach. It's very clear water.
Yes, beautiful.
There is a big hotel. It's very big hotel here. But this is a private beach. They have private. Here is all local.
Okay.
We originally booked here for 7 days with Scott and Maureen, and we've decided to stay another week because the place is absolutely out of this world. Beautiful. So not quite sure how Scott and Maureen's face is going to be in Wednesday night, but we'll need to deal with that at a time.
Yeah.
We left some stuff in the house, not sure if it's going to be there when we get home, but we'll take the chance.
Yeah. It's worth the risk.
It's worth the risk.
Worth the risk.
Are you sure? Are you sure you'll be alright?
Absolutely. Sold your laptop already. I still game you a couple of fannies.
paradise.
Yes.
I didn't know that I actually done it. You done the priority. That's to go.
The best time ever!
So this is Butterfly Valley, and you can only get here by boat. This is how you would imagine paradise.
Why is it called Butterfly Valley?
Used to be many butterflies here
Yes.
because of the variate when the hot weather, especially July and August when the very hot weather.
Very hot.
Too
It would be
many-
cooler. It would be
yes,
cooler
too
here.
many butterflies.
Yeah.
The people who is interested in the butterflies, many people coming and take professional pictures.
Okay,
And
okay.
then one, is there any nice different colors of butterflies?
Butterfly.
No, not any other thing. All is different colors.
Wow.
That's the reason.
This is a real advantage of coming on a private boat trip because we're getting loads of information about the area. It's great.
Oh, amazing. Hello, hello.
You want to find the yeah? Did you get your own boat?
Here is cold water spring.
No, that's cold water. This is really good.
James.
And there.
So we're just approaching Cold Water Springs. This is amazing. We're going to get a swim here. You see us turquoise, beautiful water. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to give everyone a treat. Let's jump in the water.
Oh, that's a wee bit close to my face. I don't know if you meant that, but...
It's like a game of tennis.
It's beautiful.
Go on, do Titanic.
Titanic, go for it. Don't take Maureen out.
Dancing butt. Squirrel.
Imagine filming that.
I did.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Yourself up.
You're like Tarzan here,
Tarzan.
That was my trick.
Tarzan, the captain. That water is just absolutely exquisite. Oh.
You're running it now with the exquisite. I know. What are you looking for?
There's Scott trying to discover.
I try to discover a little something to make
Oh baby, please.
Oh, you just made up the wrong words.
You're breaking my heart.
I'm so in love with you. Forever true. Oh. I hear you calling. I'm not sure what calling's got to do with it, but that's one of these things.
A taxi driver calling all cars.
Woo!
Living the dream.
They talk about next level days or best days in your life. This has got to be one of them. This has been amazing. What an absolutely brilliant boat trip.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
We'll see you on social. Yes,
We'll see you
thank you.
soon. Thank you so much.
Hope to see you again.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Just go right up the beach.
And Captain Saban's boat.
Just Captain Saban.
Right, okay. What a brilliant boat trip. Right.
Right, okay.
What a fantastic boat trip. Right.
so much.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Right, see ya.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much. Right. What a brilliant boat trip in Captain Saban's brilliant boat, the best boat in the Oludeniz.